Hey everybody, I've been trash picking the neighborhood again, and it seems like this one house keeps putting bicycles out for the trash. Don't know why, don't know how, don't know when, but I keep going by this one guy's house, and he's constantly putting bicycles out. So today we have a Schwinn Ranger 2.6 FS. Nice handles. No rear tire or rim, but I think from trash picking some other bikes in the neighborhood, I have saved some rims, so we might be able to put this tire back together, a tire together for this one, and front tire's flat. Shimano equipped, but it looks like everything else is there except a rear rim. So maybe tomorrow I'll find a rear rim and we'll put this one together and I'll make a video of it. All right, everybody, have a good night. So before it got too dark, and it's getting dark now, I went ahead and looked through some of my stuff to see what I have. So I have this rear rim, and I have this rear rim, and then I have a front rim that has a tire and a tube. So I'll take and figure out which one of these is going to work better on that bike, and then put that tire on one of these two rims.